Welcome and welcome back, everybody. My name is Mello. This is my channel, Arts of the Round, and I'm doing everything in my power not to do Inktober. Instead, I am giving props to the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles. That's kind of an odd thing to do, but you know what? I don't care. I'm having a good time. And you will notice right off the bat, that's no turtle. That is Usagi Yojimbo. And I was introduced to Usagi while I sat crisscross applesauce in front of my TV watching the Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, who at the time were bigger than the Beatles, according to us 9 and 10-year-olds. But in an episode of 1989, this rabbit came on, and I can't tell you what the episode is about. All I know is that he was just so friggin' cool. If you clicked on this video without knowing who this cool little character was, let me give you a brief little history. Usagi Yojimbo was created by award-winning artist and writer Stan Sakai. First appearance was in an anthology series in 1984, and he's been doing it ever since. The main character, as we know, is Usagi, but his name is Miyamoto Usagi. He is a rabbit ronin who wanders the land during a warrior's pilgrimage. The series is heavily influenced on Japanese cinema, particularly those of the great Akira Kurosawa, who directed movies you might be aware of, like The Seven Samurai, The Hidden Fortress, Rashomon, and Yojimbo. Yojimbo, like The Seven Samurai, were later adapted into very popular westerns. Needless to say, cool character, cool setting. If you get an opportunity, go out and collect those books by Stan Sakai of the very cool, calm warrior Usagi Yojimbo. As a grown-up, that's in quotation fingers, I did myself an absolute disservice for never being able to, or never having the ability to go and collect any of his works of this character. I've always wanted to know more. He just seemed to me, as I grew up, as like this such a mystery, and I can't wait to dive in and collect some books and study more about and learn more about Usagi Yojimbo. I had so much fun painting this. I know that if you're familiar with the character, it doesn't look exactly like Usagi. This is basically my interpretation of that character. I wanted to try something new, a little bit darker than what they usually show him in. And I wanted to push myself in terms of graphically, if I can do something like this. I've been trying to push having my pencil work match my painting, which is something that I'm going to continue to work on. But this one I wanted to stay a little bit more free and open and suggestive when it came to the brush strokes. I knew I was going to draw or paint, a tree, but I knew I did not want to do all the details of the trees and all the stuff in the background. I just wanted him to be the focus and let your mind's eye imagine everything else behind him. I also like the limited palette, the monochromatic palette. I wanted something really sharp. I wanted also to give homage to what is happening in Inktober, and do a lot of black and white, and to have that tribute to what everybody in the world is doing at the moment. And there you go, the amazing Usagi Yojimbo, painted in gouache. If you were like me and was introduced to him while you was a little kid watching Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, make sure you leave a comment. Let me know what you think. Share this video with like-minded goobers like us, and make sure you come back, because the leader of the Turtle Bros, Leonardo, is next. And then my personal favorite masked vigilante, Casey Jones. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. It's greatly appreciated. My name is Mello. As always, draw you later. Bye-bye.